two videos to put up tonight. One about an interesting little parcel that a friend of mine handed over, or I should say donated to me rather. And I guess the first video would be a envelope that I have been waiting for. Right here. Not sure if any of you know what this is, but I know what this is. This is basically what I've been waiting on. I know I got some parts there and whatnot, and I want to get some repair videos up. This is what I was definitely waiting on. Was this? This, my boys, my subscribers and loyal supporters out there. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. This is my new certificate, amateur radio certificate, all the way from Industry Canada. Yeah, I know some boys out there got some butt hurt right about now, so I can send you some preparation each if you really need it. But yeah, so let's open this together, shall we? This has been a long time coming, and yeah, all the way from 2 Queen Street East, Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario, Industry Canada, the Amateur Radio Service Centre. Oh, the butt hurt must really be hurting right about now, folks. Must really be bad. Oh, I don't know. Give you some preparation each if you really need it. But yeah. So this is the first part right here. Oh, ain't this lovely? Morse code. Basic with honors. Even though I got code, 5 words a minute. And most importantly, the butt hurt must really be hurting right now. Black and white, right there. Advanced. God, the butt hurt must be really hurting. And here she be, folks. The one we've all been waiting on. I've certainly been waiting on. Right there. There's a certificate. Certificate of Proficiency in Amateur Radio. This is to certify that Daryl Steele has obtained the following qualifications: Morse code, advanced, basic with honors. The certificate holder is authorized to operate amateur radio apparatus in accordance with the regulations made pursuant to Radio Communications Act and use the following call signs: VO1HMS and VO1MDS. Issue date January 10th, 2018. Certificate number 19910000948. The butt hurt must be pretty rampant there now, folks. Really rampant. Bittersweet. Suck it up, buttercups. There it is.